I've grown up watching all these movies which are full of life and so exciting. तो इसीलिए थोड़ा ऐसे सोच भी ऐसे हो गई है एकदम full of drama and Bollywood.
Yes, विवाह देख के जुनून तेरे इश्क का असर.
तो मैं I just took out my phone and I was like, can you please just type in your profile?
Okay.
तो फिर मैंने देखा प्रीत कमानी and he was not following me.
बाबू भैया जल्दी करो, आलू पक गए.
विवाह, I love that movie. उस मूवी में जो फीमेल कैरेक्टर है उसको जिस हिसाब से पोर्ट्रे किया हुआ है, it's just so beautiful and divine.
मुझे बताइए, which is that one project that has changed your life?
Every character in every film is going to leave a mark. Some shows will become popular in that segment, which will change my life. Some shows will leave an impact personally.
So little old school.
यार वही old school ही चाहिए. मुझे वो चाहिए पीछे violin और वो बाल उड़ते हुए. मतलब that's how I imagine.
अरे she rocks the stage with Himesh Reshamya sir यार.
Radio Nasha. Hi, this is Sheetal. Welcome to Radio Nasha. Such an exciting day क्योंकि आज एक नया गाना रिलीज हुआ है and इस गाने का इश्क चढ़या है मुझ पे. इसी के बारे में बात करते हुए let's welcome Pragati Nagpal and Preet. Hi, welcome to Radio Nasha.
Thank you so much.
Firstly, what a vibe of the song. I love all your outfits in that and the styling and everything. You as well, but उसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा compliment करूँगी.
She's a girl's girl.
Yes.
मैं भी girls girl ही हूँ.
So cute. But I just want to start off by asking you कि how did you get this idea of wanting to make this song and your chemistry is so good on screen.
Thank you so
तो
much.
first meeting कैसा रहा बताइए.
तू ही बता.
अरे नहीं
तो हम एक इवेंट पर मिले थे. अभी तक डिसाइडेड नहीं था कि हम दोनों साथ में एक गाना कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
मतलब ही न्यू अबाउट मी बट मुझे ऐसे सुनने में आया था कि प्रीत कमानी इज डूइंग द वीडियो बट वी वर मीटिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. तो इसने मुझे आके बोला कि अरे प्रगति आई हैव बीन सीइंग योर वर्क, आई रियली लाइक योर वर्क. मैंने बोला कि मतलब सिंस ही हैज बीन फॉलोइंग मी तो मेरे को ऐसे थोड़ा सा बुरा लगा कि मतलब तो मैं आई जस्ट टुक आउट माई फोन एंड आई वाज लाइक कैन यू प्लीज जस्ट टाइप इन योर प्रोफाइल. तो फिर मैंने देखा प्रीत कमानी एंड ही वाज नॉट फॉलोइंग मी.
Preet, how could you do that?
तो मतलब मैंने कहा ऐसे बहुत ही ऐसे हवा में बातें तो फेंक रहा है. मैं मन ही मन सोच रही हूँ कि मैं इतने टाइम से आपका काम फॉलो कर रहा हूँ ये वो सब. बट ही वाज नॉट फॉलोइंग मी. सो देन आई वाज द फर्स्ट वन टू फॉलो हिम. आगे क्या कहते हैं
डिफेंस में क्या कहना चाहते हो?
प्रगति बहुत अच्छी एक्टर है, बहुत अच्छी सिंगर है, बहुत अच्छी
मैं स्टोरी टेलर
सॉन्ग राइटर है. स्टोरी टेलर में सक्स.
I told you you go ahead. But
मैं और मेरे स्क्रीन प्ले को डाउट कर रही थी तू. मैं बताता हूँ देखो देवी और सजनों हुआ ये है कि प्रगति और मेरे बहुत सारे कॉमन फ्रेंड्स हैं.
Okay.
तो कई बार ये होता है कि जब आप इंस्टाग्राम पे कॉमन फ्रेंड्स के थ्रू किसी की स्टोरी देखते हो या किसी का रीपोस्ट देखते हो, you suddenly assume that you know this person.
Right.
And you also have certain friends that you've always met on Instagram or Facebook, right?
Correct. Yeah.
कि आप उनसे इतनी मतलब बातें करते हो या रील्स भेजते हो बट एक्चुअली में मिलते भी नहीं हो. तो मुझे पता नहीं साइकोलॉजिकली ऐसा एक मेमोरी कहीं बैठ गया कि मैं तो प्रगति को जानता हूँ फॉर सम रीजन एंड वी हैव लॉट ऑफ कॉमन फ्रेंड्स. And she's worked also with a lot of my friends and she's working on a couple of projects with a few of my friends.
Okay.
तो ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ प्रगति को तो मैं जानता हूँ, like उसकी बात सुनी, उसका गाना देखा है ना. Of course her previous work is also so
yes,
good.
so good.
So because of that I just had a feeling. Now at this movie screening I saw her and I'm like अरे ये तो प्रगति है. और उसके कुछ दिन पहले ही मुझे यही गाने के लिए कॉल आया था कि there's a song called Chadaya and Pragati Nagpal is singer and Saregama is the music label and I was very excited कि यार मुझे इसका तो पार्ट बनना है. And जैसे मैंने प्रगति को देखा तो all these things connected and I felt like अरे यार प्रगति तो यहीं पे बात करता हूँ, चलो ऐसे ही दोस्ती करता हूँ. हाँ दोस्त है मेरी. मैंने कहा अरे हाय प्रगति पता है तेरा गाने के लिए मुझे फोन, मैंने कल तो मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही थी तुझे, अभी से कैसे फोन आ गया. And she had no idea and she was completely ऐसा प्रिपरेशन ऑलरेडी शुरू हो चुका था गाने का. And I was like अरे यार of course I follow your work यार and I'm very तो मैं ना बहुत ही खुले दिल वाला इंसान हूँ. मेरे मन में जो आता है मैं बोल देता हूँ बिल्कुल बिना सोचे. तो मैंने कहा अरे प्रगति व्हाट्सअप ये वो तो, और मेरे को लगा ही नहीं कि मैं पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ. और उसने भी ऐसा रिएक्ट किया, ऐसा मतलब 15-20 जन इससे मिल रहे थे उसमें से मैं कहीं से भाग के मैंने कहा हाय ऐसे करके. तो शी सोच रही हाय और मैं और ऑब्वियसली ऐसे गैदरिंग पे जब आपको कोई कुछ बोलता है तो आप नकारते नहीं.
Of course, you did, yes.
Of course, yes, ये भी ये कर रही है. मुझे लगा हाँ तो जानती है टाइप्स. उसके बाद मैंने कहा यार I've been following your work and it's so good and all of that. She's like okay crazy. I mean और उसको realize हुआ कि shit I don't follow Preet or follow his work and I should do that. Like I'll also follow. Please type in your Instagram. ऐसे करके उसने फोन दिया. तो मैंने कहा हाँ विल स्टे इन टच एंड ऑल दैट, मैंने इंस्टाग्राम लिखा एंड उसने फॉलो किया, और जैसे ही उसने फॉलो किया उसको रियलाइज हुआ मैं तो फॉलो ही नहीं करता इसको. And I know it's not a big deal, but just for Gen Z, it's such a big deal कि यार Instagram पे follow
Oh
करना
my
चाहिए.
God, is this a Gen Z versus
Oh my God,
millennials?
no. Can you please
Sorry,
millennial?
no,
stop
I'm
portraying
millennial.
me?
So I am millennial, but ठीक है मेरे लिए उतना बड़ा नहीं था, but मेरे को suddenly एक second के लिए ऐसा embarrassed feel हुआ कि shit I don't follow her, and she also like pointed it out. You don't follow me, but see I followed you first. I'm like shit यार अब तो गया, म्यूजिक वीडियो तो गया, ये तो ना बोलने वाली है, प्रीत के साथ तो नहीं करूँगी. Turns out how the events unfolded that night is that ये मुझे मेरे घर पे ड्रॉप करने आई है, और हमने साथ में खाना वाना खाया है, हमने साथ में डिजर्ट खाया है, बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स भी हम चिल कर रहे थे, and we became really good friends after that. And फिर तो हमने डिसाइड कर लिया कि हम तो साथ में काम करेंगे, and that's how this music video happened. But now you tell us how you made this song.
Yes. Because the chemistry has translated really well. So
Because that's it. Sorry, to also add one more thing, that this is one, I do get a lot of opportunities as an actor and a quintessential Bollywood hero to do a lot of music videos, but I don't say yes to most of them because I just feel that सब repetitive ही है, सब कुछ एक जैसा ही sound करता है. And when I heard this song, and I mean this with all my honesty, is that this had a vibe.
Yeah.
Also, it is completely girl centric or just Pragati. There's no male voice in this and all that. But I was proud to be a part of this song, and I have no quips about supporting or being cheerleader.
Vocal, yeah, absolutely.
So yeah, I was very happy.
So
Now tell me.
So sweet, Pragati. Have you paid him to say all this?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
इसलिए मैं नेटवर्क नहीं आ रहा था, तभी मैं ऊपर गया
तभी
था.
आप बाहर गए थे.
मैंने कहा जैसे जी पे
ये आधा शेयर कर लो मेरे साथ.
हो जाएगा. आधा क्या, ऑलरेडी आधा ही है. पेमेंट अभी तक आया नहीं है.
बाप रे.
Okay, tell me about the song and how you decided to make this and everything.
So, starting with how I am in my real life, I'm a kind of a girl who can express more, who can confront her feelings, like पहले जाके. So there's this stereotypical thought कि हमेशा लड़के अप्रोच करते हैं लड़कियों को, या उनको अप्रोच करना चाहिए, या उनको पहले कन्फ्रंट करना चाहिए, चाहे दोनों के नेट में टक्के चल रहे हैं बहुत टाइम से, चाहे दोनों को पता है कि वो दोनों एक दूसरे को लाइक करते हैं, बट ये एक स्टीरियोटिपिकल थॉट है और एक सोच है कि हमेशा लड़के ही पहले कन्फ्रंट करेंगे. एंड आई थिंक दिस सॉन्ग इज मोर अबाउट गर्ल कन्फ्रंटिंग हर फीलिंग्स पहले.
Fab.
है ना, तू तो बहुत खुश हो.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
So I think that was the thought behind the song, and even though I have not written the lyrics are written by Diljan and music is done by Showkid, and I have been admiring their work since years because they are also based in Punjab. So I used to stay in Punjab and I used to listen a lot of their songs, so I always wanted to work with them. And also Showkid has got this very Punjabi, urban Punjabi vibe into the song.
And that's why it's so peppy.
Absolutely love.
Yeah, shout out to Showkid because his production just makes you move. Like ऐसा करते हो.
Exactly. सुनते ही मुझे वही लगा कि यार peppy तो गाना है.
Yeah.
And so that's what the process was. That's what the thought was behind the song. तो I thought कि यार हमेशा लड़कों को ही नहीं वो करना चाहिए ऐसे पोक कि यार करो जाके कन्फर्म. I think girls should also ये सोच I think change होनी चाहिए because this is how I am in my real life कि अगर मेरे को कोई पसंद है तो मैं उसको जाके कन्फ्रंट कर देती हूँ ना, very nice and very subtle way, without expecting कि उसका सामने से रिएक्शन क्या होगा, तो मैं पहले जाके कन्फ्रंट कर देती हूँ.
ये कन्फ्रंटेशन से पहले आप बताओ, कुछ रिवील करने वाले थे.
मैं बोलने वाला था, इसलिए कहते हैं कि हमारे मुंबई में कहते हैं, स्पेशली महाराष्ट्र में, मुलगी शिकली प्रगति झाली.
Okay, what does that mean? You don't have to translate.
अरे जब लड़कियां पढ़ी लिखी हो जाती है, फॉरवर्ड हो जाती है, तो प्रोग्रेस होता है. That's the meaning of it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, क्या थॉट है, क्या
थॉट है,
बस तुम्हें कोई एफर्ट्स ना करने पड़े घुमा फिरा के. I'm contradicting my own thing, but
पापा कहते थे लड़कियों को समझ नहीं सकता.
I want to just rewind a little and talk about your childhood, okay, both of you. What are the kind of films that you grew up watching and the kind of music that you heard? Tell me a little about it.
You want to go first?
I think I've seen जब भी मेट ये जवानी है दीवानी, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. I'm a huge fan of Viva. I love that movie because
it's so beautiful, dude. I'm a Shahid Kapoor fan, okay?
Yeah.
So Viva is like too good.
And मतलब उस मूवी में जो फीमेल कैरेक्टर है उसको जिस हिसाब से पोर्ट्रे किया हुआ है, it's just so beautiful and divine.
जल
जब सर्दी होती है तो जल नहीं
ठंडा बर्फ का
because it's a beautiful movie
Yeah.
and I've grown up watching all these movies which are full of life and so exciting, तो इसीलिए थोड़ा ऐसे सोच भी ऐसे हो गई है एकदम full of
वाह
drama and Bollywood.
यस विवाह देख के जुनू तेरे इश्क का सर पे चढ़
अरे
गया।
यार मतलब जब भी मैं तो
मैं बॉय को अप्रोच करूंगी आफ्टर वाचिंग सूरज बुझाते फिल्म।
फैमिली शो
Just kidding.
मैं नहीं बात कर रही
It is a fun chat.
it is a
Yeah,
fun
yeah.
chat, yeah. But and you, the movies that you watch while growing up?
Actually, I agree with all the movies that she said. Agree क्या? मैंने भी वही देखी यार जब भी met. और क्या बोला तुमने? और दूसरी वाली कौन सी?
ये जवानी है दीवानी,
ये जवानी है
जिंदगी ना
दीवानी,
मिलेगी
correct. So
दोबारा.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, ये जवानी है दीवानी and जब भी met were more at the time when I was already in school and
School, yeah. Millennial, no?
या तो जैसे वो लड़कियों पे क्रश आना शुरू हो चुका था, नैन में टक्का शुरू हो चुका था, सो हार्मोन्स वर रेजिंग एंड दीस फिल्म्स वर हैपनिंग एंड सो मैं भी नैना ढूंढ रहा था, मैं भी अपनी
Scholar
नैना
नैना।
ढूंढ रहा था, हाँ correct, कि कोई मतलब कोई स्पेन की ट्रिप पे आ जाए,
अरे
मिल जाए एंड बट आल्सो द फिल्म्स दैट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड मी लार्जली वाज DDLJ,
yes,
कुछ कुछ होता
कुछ
है
कुछ होता है।
because I'm a 90s boy. So I have seen all those movies more
90s
in
kid.
my yes 90s kid. उनकी बात ही अलग होती है
हाँ,
यार।
true.
नहीं,
she's
आप बोलो।
she's giving you
बहुत
that side
सही
look.
कर लो दोनों ये कर लो.
So for me सूरज बरजातिया sir's universe is more of हम आपके हैं कौन,
Yeah, हम साथ साथ
हम
हैं,
साथ
हम
साथ
आपके
हैं
हैं कौन?
because I've also been raised by like 7 sisters in total. So
तो ये तो हम साथ साथ वाली कहानी हो
Literally
गई
वही हो
भाई.
गया था। मैं सो मेरे और मुझे तो यही लगता था कि सातों बहन सगी है, जो है एक्चुअली मतलब रिलेशन वाइज they're all real sisters to me, although they are cousins.
Cousins, yeah.
But the feeling is that they are real.
Yeah.
तो बचपन में मुझसे कोई पूछता था कि तुम्हारे कितने भाई बहन हैं, तो मैं कहता था 8 और वो कंफ्यूज होते थे मेरी मॉम को देख के कि अच्छा ये बात है। And
ये आज कब हुए?
it is just funny because that used to happen. So I am a middle class 90s kid and I've grown up on these films and my influence was that कि real life में नाच गाना होता है, कि जब प्यार होगा तो पीछे वायलिन बजेगा मेहुना की
बाल
तरह,
उड़ रहे हैं.
बाल उड़ेंगे स्लो मोशन में, और मेरे साथ हुआ है, मैं बता नहीं सकता कि कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मेरी जिंदगी स्लो मोशन में चली जा चुकी है और मुझे ऐसा सब कुछ रुक गया है, थम गया है
अरे
और
वाह.
पीछे वायलिन बजना शुरू हो गया है। और ये हुआ है, पता नहीं मैं फिल्मी हूँ या पता नहीं क्या है,
Yeah.
बट दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम, a very beautiful problem.
It's not
I
a
don't mind.
problem.
I said
It's a
that-
good thing.
It's a good
yeah.
thing.
Because
to
actors
romanticize your
के
life
पास-
basically.
Yeah, exactly. Actors के पास ये एक वो होता है, सुपर पावर होता है that we can like romanticize every single thing in our life in such a beautiful way
Yeah.
कि it changes the whole perspective of living your life.
That's
It's a problem only when the other person is not feeling that way.
Oh yeah.
So then you have found the wrong person basically.
Yeah.
Correct.
But you know, while telling me all of this, I just realized that Gen Z versus millennial, what is your perspective about love? Genuinely want to know.
प्यार दोस्ती है। आप बोलना आगे भी।
She's thinking.
मतलब being a Gen Z, I'm not so Gen Z.
हाँ, you're a
तो
little
मुझे
old school.
प्यार वही ओल्ड स्कूल ही चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए पीछे वायलिन और वो बाल उड़ते हुए,
हाँ.
मतलब that's how I imagine
अरे she
love.
rocks the stage with हिमेश रेशमिया sir यार, मतलब
Dude,
उससे
that
ज़्यादा
was-
90s kid क्या
Yeah,
होगा?
Oh, yeah,
exactly.
exactly.
पावर पॉइंट शो यार, मतलब हम तो वाइब कर रहे थे यार, we understood what basically Himesh sir taught us how to enjoy music.
And also
In a-
experience every emotion at its extreme.
Peak.
Yeah.
At its peak. Absolutely.
I don't think any kind of other music has influenced me and made me dance so much.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
No, that was my
Yeah.
next question to you actually. Such an amazing thing to be a part of his team, right? And perform at Capmania. I want to ask you, what is that one thing about Himesh that you want to tell us that nobody knows about? And what makes him Lord Himesh Reshamya? I genuinely want to know because you worked with him.
I think मैं तो ऐसे कुछ बता नहीं सकती हूँ सबको, and he is like an open book.
Yeah.
वो अपनी ऑडियंस के साथ इतने रॉ तरीके से कनेक्ट करते हैं, जैसे स्टेज पे
Yes.
भी इतने सारे मोमेंट्स ऐसे हुए जब उन्होंने बोला कि मैं नाक से गाऊँ या मतलब
I
कैसे
know, that
गाऊँ.
is so cool.
So that's like
Yeah.
very raw. ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो कोई इंसान प्लान नहीं करता है. तो when I was rehearsing with him in my rehearsals during like in those days, there was this one thing that I was like very nervous and I was like very skeptical about putting my thought. I was like कि नहीं, he has a vision for his store and I should I speak or like
Right.
should I like put my points up कि नहीं, उनके अगर दिमाग में जैसा vision नहीं तो मैं वैसे ही perform करूँगी. But at some point मेरे भी कुछ वो थे कि this is how I am seeing myself on
Right.
stage with you.
Yeah.
And he was very collaborative and he was like ठीक है जैसे मर्जी करना है कर दे. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि so this is what I'm like, हाँ this is how I'm introducing you on stage. तो I told him कि आप मेरा पूरा नाम ले सकते हो क्या. He was introducing me as Pragati. So I was like कि can you please say Pragati Nagpal. तो he was like हाँ of course अगर तुझे और कुछ भी अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो अगर मुझे मॉम डैड का नाम लेना है या किसी फैमिली का नाम लेना है तो अगर तेरी फैमिली आ रही है तो I can mention all of that on
That is
stage.
so sweet.
And that is like out of the world.
Yeah.
So I was like कि नहीं sir, thank you so much. And he's very collaborative, very kind, very generous in that stage. So it was like an experience working with him. And it was
Absolutely.
too much fun.
Yeah. Are you going to sing Chadaya anytime during the tour?
No. It's Himesh sir's tour.
Yeah.
Maybe on my tour I'm gonna
Yeah.
sing my song.
Let's manifest for that she has
Absolutely.
her
Yeah,
own
yeah,
tour,
yeah.
right?
मैं तो
Preet-
जाऊंगा, मैं
हाँ.
पीछे डांस करने भी जाऊंगा stage पे.
हाँ. हम सब आएंगे to cheer you.
Great. Thank
मुझे
you.
बताइए, which is that one project that has changed your life? I think for me, from an audience perspective, it has to be Half CA. But from your perspective, which is that one project that actually changed your life and your struggles became fruitful?
Oh. So I'm going to answer this question in two parts. I'll answer the second part first. Firstly, I don't see that what I'm doing or what I'm pursuing or what I'm chasing is a struggle.
Okay.
It's not a struggle for me at all. It's a struggle when you have to do it when you don't want to do it.
When
I
hard-
do it because
yeah.
I want to do it. I love to do it.
Right.
Also, I don't know anything else. तो मेरे पास तो ऑप्शन और चॉइस भी नहीं है. तो मेरे लिए स्ट्रगल नहीं है. दिस इज माई वर्ल्ड एंड लाइक आई सेड यू नो वो बचपन से मेरी वो है कि मैं स्लो मोशन में चले जाता हूँ, फिल्मी दुनिया में पहुंच जाता हूँ. सो दिस इज हाउ आई लिव. Having said that, I don't think there's any one particular project that changes your life all of a sudden. It's years and years and years of hard work and you know, burning candle on both ends overnight. Of many nights together. So Half CA has definitely been a very important project. Even there, I am Ehsaas Channa is the star of the show. And of course Gyanendra Tripathi. Both of them are phenomenal actors and they are so good with what they do. When I signed up for the show, I signed up because I wanted to be there for Ehsaas. A. B. The show is so well written.
Yeah, that is true.
Pratish, the director of the show, is outstanding. I have not received so many compliments for any other show. And Half CA में मेरा उतना actually special appearance था season 1 में. And then they extended that
in
cameo into
two,
a full-time character.
Yeah.
तो जब पहली बार उनका फोन आया था और TVF के साथ काम करना is a prestige in itself.
Absolutely.
TVF
Yeah.
is just too good. तो जब मैं उस शो पे काम कर रहा था, I didn't realize the effect that it's gonna have.
Yeah.
So TVF का जो fan base है, एहसास का जो fan base है, that the little 3 episode appearance became a full-time character. Now it's loved.
Yeah.
So and likewise, every character in every film is gonna leave a mark. Some shows will become popular in that segment,
Yes.
which will change my life. Some shows will leave an impact personally,
Personally,
deep within.
Yeah.
So likewise, I think every film has its own way of making a difference to me. in
True,
my
yeah.
life.
Its own journey, right? Yeah, absolutely. You know, सुनने में आया है कि you are going to do a film now. Isn't that absolutely exciting?
Yeah. I never thought when I first came to Mumbai that I'm gonna be an actor. But yeah, it's gonna be my first film.
Fab. That is congratulations. That is
super
so
excited.
amazing.
Thank you so
I'm not going to ask you any details because पता नहीं आप बोलोगे कि नहीं. But how has your journey been? You know, music and then live performances, and now you're doing a film. It's huge.
Yeah. So it's been 2 years now that I came to Mumbai, and all of this happened very unexpectedly because back there in Chandigarh, I was living a very normal life, like going to college and chilling with my friends every day. And I used to do gigs also, and I was like doing music,
Right.
but not professionally. I was pursuing it. But since the time I've come here, I had a deal with Saregama already, and that's when I shifted.
Yeah.
तो उसके बाद से my life has changed, like up and down, like fully. उसके बाद आके for 1 year I did my grooming,
Yes.
my acting classes, my Western vocals, classical vocals, dance, workout,
Everything,
and whatnot.
yeah.
Everything I worked on. And slowly we started to release all the songs, and then I started doing live shows. that was like a whole process. And इस पूरे प्रोसेस में मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं एक्टर भी बनूंगी. मतलब मुझे पता नहीं था कि मुझ में थोड़ा ऐसे नेचुरल से एक्टर छुपा हुआ.
स्टार
है.
बट हाँ, वो जैसे धीरे धीरे आई एम एक्सप्लोरिंग अ लॉट अबाउट माई सेल्फ. तो there's always a scope of improvement, but yeah, acting, dance, and singing. But singing is primary for me,
Yeah.
and I'm a singer first and an
An
actor,
actor
after
later,
that.
yeah. But
So-
all the best for everything that you guys are doing. We're gonna turn this into a different mode right now. We're gonna play a fun game, and it's gonna be
Yeah.
you versus you.
You
So
versus
I'm gonna Gen Z versus
ये
millennial.
तो अच्छा
You
हो
versus
गया.
me.
You versus you तो रोज होता
नहीं,
है. रोज ये गेम
रोज.
खेलता हूँ मैं सुबह.
It's a mind game.
You versus you.
तो कहानी ये है कि मैं आपको बैडली एक्सप्लेन हिंदी मूवी प्लॉट्स बताऊंगी एंड आपको गेस करना है कि कौन सी मूवी है. You have to tell me the
Oh.
name.
God.
So this is going to be
Yeah.
80s, 90s up till 2008. I'm telling you up till 2008. इतना भी पुराना नहीं है. Don't worry. Ready?
क्या guess करना है?
मूवी का नाम.
Movie का
कौन
नाम
सा?
guess
I'm giving you a badly explained plot.
Okay.
मैं सुन मेरी बात सुन.
हाँ.
वो बताएगी.
हाँ, मैं समझ गई थी.
You guys can help them. Okay, let's see which. Okay, I'm guessing that Gen Z is going to win. Let's see. You never know. Okay, let's start with the first one. 3 rich dudes realize that being young and cool is temporary, but friendship survives awkward love triangles, bad breakup, and one guy's obsession with a much older woman.
दिल चाहता है.
Fab dudes.
Next.
Okay. I'm just gonna move on to the next one. Okay, a girl runs away from her family only to fall in love with a guy who convinces her to go back.
जब भी.
हम दिल दे चुके सनम.
No. जब भी मैं.
जब भी मैं. कहाँ? Where does she run away?
हम दिल दे चुके सनम.
आयुष्मान के पास जाती है ना, फिर उसको वो वापस. नहीं सॉरी.
ये
आयुष्मान तो है नहीं उसमें.
नहीं यार, जब भी कैरेक्टर नेम हम से.
अंशुमन.
Anshuman.
क्या जब भी मेट की
Quite like almost there. I was almost
But
there.
also हम
हम
दिल दे
दिल
चुके
दे-
सनम.
She didn't run away, no. She just got married to Ajay Devgan.
But anyways, I got a point next.
Yeah.
Cool.
It could also be DDLJ because that's when she runs away. But yeah, jab we met. I'm giving her a point. Okay, next one. A wife sells her husband and becomes rich. Look at that expression.
Oh, I know.
Little does she know about the problems that await her.
I know. This is Sridevi and BV.
Not BV.
How can I forget this?
Don't know Googling, guys.
Uh,
3 actors.
I know.
Sridevi.
Anil Kapoor, Sridevi.
Correct.
And
Urmila Matondkar.
Urmila Matondkar.
Yeah.
Wait. Give me first letter of this film.
J.
No.
Judai.
No, you're taking it.
Judai.
Judai. Correct.
Okay.
Fab. 2 points.
2 points.
And 1 you. Okay, next one. Okay. 2 brothers argue over who should own the family property while their mother silently judges them.
2 brothers are fighting
Over family property while their mother is silently judging them.
Mother is silently judging them.
Yes.
2 brothers. एक और थोड़ा बता ना यार, तू एकदम
Badly explained है यार, और क्या बताऊँ मैं?
थोड़ा और badly explain करना थोड़ा.
You have such great dialogues from this film. आज भी मैं फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं.
दीवार.
देखो, इतना क्लू देने के बाद.
इतना क्यों? एक मिनट, इतना पुराना
Bad. हाँ, तो I told you ना, Radio Nasha is retro, so this thing.
I'm also retro.
Hello.
Yeah.
Abhi in the game.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. This is easy, okay? I'm guessing you will know this. A student convinces his principal that breaking the rules is the best way to live life.
3 Idiots. No.
Student of the year? नहीं. No.
वाह.
She's Gen Z. She said student of the year, then she's Gen Z. It's only one student.
दोबारा.
One student.
वापस बोलो.
A student convinces his principal that breaking the rules is the best way to live life.
Student convinces principal. तारे ज़मीन पर.
Dude, this is not rigged, okay? I've not shown him the questions before.
This is difficult.
Yeah. Have you kept a count of the
एक तो प्रिंसिपल नहीं
यार,
था.
ये game में
उसके
पसंद
टीचर.
badly explained, यार?
Badly
explained.
गलतली explained थोड़ी है.
Ah, that's the point. Okay, we'll move on to some easy ones so that she guesses it. ठीक है? Okay, a man reincarnates. A man reincarnates and decides to avenge his death as well as that of his lover with the help
Om
of a...
Shanti Om Tan Tan Tan.
तू
Should we
जीत गया,
continue?
जीत गया.
नहीं, we should continue. I love this game.
Okay, one more. Give her some time. to at
नहीं तो
least think.
जीतने दे मुझे.
3 roommates go on a weird adventure when they receive a call that is not meant for them. Don't answer. Let
You know
her
this?
answer.
You know this movie?
Yeah. Just think about it. 3 roommates, they get a call.
हाँ.
They get a call which is not meant for
हाँ.
them. Iconic characters. उसका part 3 आने वाला है.
अरे मैं एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ मैं. हर
मैं भी
जगह
acting
बता
करूंगी
दूंगा.
ना बाद
हर
में,
चीज
मैंने
को बताओ देखो. थोड़ा गेस कर. मैं तेरे को हिंट देता हूँ. रुक जा.
Part 3 आने वाला
मैं
है.
एक हिंट
हाँ,
देता हूँ.
दे
एक
दो.
हिंट देता हूँ. बाबू भैया जल्दी करो. आलू पक गए. अब भी guess
अबे
कर.
dude. उफ.
ए उठाने दे बाबा. उठा.
I-
अरे मुझको नहीं रे. इन दोनों को उठा ले.
Yeah, हेरा फेरी.
I am so disappointed. Oh God! As a 90s kid.
Yeah, I'm a Gen
रमेश
Z.
दादा एकदम बाबूराव की तरह बैठे हुए.
See, everyone is disappointed with me in the room. No, we are not playing this game.
ठीक है, one last and I'm sure you'll know this. ठीक है? A woman dies and burdens her preteen daughter by instructing her to reunite her father with his former lover.
क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है.
Time ही नहीं.
यार मैंने बोला था उसको आंसर करने तो.
अरे मैं केबीसी में बहुत दिखता था बचपन में. फास्टेस्ट फिंगर.
Oh God. But clearly we have a winner. Can we give him a round of applause?
बस ये राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज क्या है.
मैं हैम्पर भेज दूंगी आपको. Guys, but
नशे का हैम्पर में.
Oh God. Slow claps only for him.
तू ही कर लेना अपने लिए slow clap.
But guys, thank you so much. All the very best for everything that you're gonna do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And if you want to tell our audience where they can find the song and where they can stream it, please go ahead.
YouTube, Spotify, Gaana.com और जितने भी एप्स हैं गाने के उस सब पे आपको मिल जाएगा. Instagram पे आप यूज भी कर सकते हैं. रील्स बनाइए, डांस सीखिए और प्रगति को बहुत सारा प्यार दीजिए. बच जाए तो थोड़ा मुझे दीजिए.
Also, something that I want to tell about Chadya is that in the video we have taken a bit different route by like making the video all about coffee rave, which is a very new and fresh concept. I think people who don't drink, it's a very good concept
Yeah.
for them.
Yeah.
And we were just like trying कि क्योंकि तू भी नहीं पीता है ना, you don't drink ना, no you don't drink, I don't drink. So we thought
That silence said everything.
मेरी त्वचा देखो guys.
oh my god. So yes, Chadya is all about like having fun without drinking so that you can confront whatever you are feeling in a very conscious state so that it comes out of honesty and like pure emotions. So yes, you can listen to Chadya on all the streaming platforms and the hook step of the video is very easy and we are expecting you to do the hook step.
एक भाई
Because it's
एक लाइन
like
गा भी तो सकते हो.
हाँ, of course, I was
Line
just gonna
गा
say
दो.
that. एक line हम
चलो.
हमारे लिए.
गा दो हमारे लिए.
And so the hook only. जुनू तेरे इश्क दा सर पे चढ़िया 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 चढ़िया, जुनू तेरे इश्क दा सर पे चढ़िया 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 चढ़िया, खुद हुआ ये जो भी मैंने कुछ ना करया करया करया, जुनू तेरे इश्क दा सर पे चढ़िया 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 चढ़िया.
ये boy.
Fab.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Radio Nasha.